Alrighty, just breaking down this before we get into market open. It is a Monday. It's 9:22 right now. We don't have much news at all, if any. We have 10 o'clock yellow folder, which is very, very low impact. So I don't know if we'll get the most volume today. It is a Monday. We just came out of the weekend. Don't have much news. But what I have here is I have my resistance. Obviously you guys can see we come up, reject, come up, reject, go lower, come up, reject, go lower. And we also took out opening highs on Sunday at 6 o'clock. Took that out at 7:35, been traveling down since. We are getting push up right now. Then we obviously have my support right here. So I'd like to see a break below either of these for sells. I'm looking for a push, strong push below this zone, targeting these lows down here, right there, and maybe if we get lucky, targeting these lows down here, 1 to 6.28 R. But overall, I think we can get a 1 to 3 out of that push. Same thing goes for the upside move. We get a break above this resistance right here. We push up. I'd like to see these highs over here get taken out before going lower. That's just what I'm looking at right here. So that's that. And you guys might ask, why do I always have a set stop loss? Like today I'm using a 25 point because 30 is a little big for me. It just looks like, so I'm going to drop it down to 25. It's usually right around 25 to 30. I usually just like to be below that support or resistance zone. So if we break out, we come back down below this resistance zone and we come down to here. So I enter here, it comes back down here. We broke past this resistance with volume. Then we came back down, retraced. If this hits my stop loss, I'm no longer confident in this trade due to the fact that we could retrace up here or push up here, retrace and retest this resistance and then go higher. But if we go below it and keep pushing below it, I'm no longer confident in this trade, so I'm going to get out. So I usually have a set stop loss around 25 to 30 ticks. That's what I see is good amount of. It's still a tight stop loss, but it's above these zones to where if it pushes up past this zone and hits my stop loss, I'm no longer confident in it because it's not just retesting the zone before going lower. It's fully disrespecting that zone and pushing a lot up past it a lot. So that's kind of why I have a set stop loss, guys. So hopefully we crush it today, and I'll break down whatever I take after market after I'm done trading. Yeah, let's get into this. Market is open.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out. Hell yeah, hell of a day. That was quick. I just made $748, 760, 1120 fees. Entered at, this was a 1 minute trade. Very solid. Guarantee it comes down to these lows. Yellow, we're back. As you guys just saw, we just banked, made like $750 in like 50 seconds. It was a very straightforward trade, very solid. Like I said, we took out opening highs this morning. We were traveling down since at open. We pushed down a little bit, pulled back up, kind of we're hanging around here for a minute. And then we got a good push below here, entered right around this area, 25-point stop loss. And I got out right around here, right at this first initial low we have here. It was not not the best RR. I mean, obviously, I was looking for this 1 to 3. I predicted price to go down to there, and if anything, down to here, and it did that exactly, as you guys can see, 6.28R, exactly what I said in the pre-market analysis. But I was on one of my evals that I needed like 700 bucks to pass. So when we hit that, I decided to just get out. I got to 750, a little past of what I actually needed to cover fees and whatnot. So when we hit that, I decided to get out. Very, very solid day. It was very straightforward. We have our resistance, we have our support. We wait for one to break with good volume. Today, we had that good volume. Boom, you enter, have your stop loss above that support or resistance zone. For me, it was a 25 tick stop today instead of a 30. 30 was a little too big for me, so I've dropped it down to 25. Still above that support zone, and the rest was history. There's not really too much to go over here other than that it was very straightforward. We had a break of our support. We did get a retrace up here at market open. We flipped bearish, push below that wick. You hop in, target a set of lows. We'll be back tomorrow. Hope you guys had a great trading day. Peace.